Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I'm using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Hello and welcome. One of the earliest forms of an agentic process is the custom GPT in ChatGPT. If you're inside of ChatGPT and you go to the Explore area, that's going to open up the custom GPT area. By design, a custom GPT is a limited form of an agent. You are going to be creating a process where you're going to give the chatbot a goal, and based on how you set up the GPT, the platform will accomplish your goal within the parameters set by the boundaries of the GPT. You can click Create for GPTs, and you can use the wizard to create the boundaries of a GPT by answering the questions that ChatGPT gives you. You can then configure those boundaries with description, instructions, conversation starters, and then files that will inform the GPT as to the parameters that you want for the process to take place. Inside the GPT area, you'll see other GPTs created by companies as well as individuals. The GPT acts like an agent when you actually set up the GPT in your account. And once you set up the GPT in your account, you are going to give the GPT a goal as you would an agent. In this case, we have a very simple goal, and we've given the goal some parameters, and we're doing it inside of a limited scope of scientific articles. We can then click Enter. Inside the GPT, and the GPT inside of ChatGPT will then act as an agent. You'll notice then that the GPT will ask to assist you in completing the goal that you have given it. And in the simplest form, we've accomplished the goal by delivering a document with specific information inside of a GPT. So the GPT can assist you in accomplishing your goal in a limited agentic process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.